If TeamViewer remote control isn't working, you might connect to a computer but not be able to control the mouse or keyboard. Yeah, this can happen because of permission settings, connection issues, or software glitches. But the good news is there are a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem. First, check the remote control permissions on the remote computer. If the settings are restricted, TeamViewer may allow viewing, but block mouse and keyboard control. Next, try reconnecting the session. Sometimes the connection initializes incorrectly, which can disable input controls. If you still can't control the remote computer, check the input settings in TeamViewer. Make sure keyboard and mouse input is enabled in the session toolbar. Another quick fix is restarting TeamViewer on both the local and remote computers. Temporary background glitches can sometimes block remote control functionality. Running different or outdated versions of TeamViewer can also cause compatibility problems. Updating both devices to the latest version often fixes remote control issues. If the issue still continues, try restarting the remote computer. This refreshes system processes that might be blocking remote input. And that's it. One of these fixes usually restores full remote control in TeamViewer. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.